like I never felt that way. Phone's been ringing 20 times. I don't seem.
Hi. I only got, well, I worked last night and I came home today in the morning. Slept at like 9 a.m. and now it's like 12-ish. I just woke up. I'm trying to go to the gym at this time, like at 1-ish, because there's so much traffic if I go too late. And if I go later, there's too many people, so pre-workout time. I'm so exhausted. I think I put too much water this time. Ooh. I mean, it doesn't taste bad, but ooh, so sour. What? This looks so good. How is it? Got the kimchi udon. Jjigae udon, and I got the curry udon. Yum. Let's have our first bite.
This is a soy sauce.
Oh yeah?
It is different.
Creamy.
Are you okay? Yeah, I'm fine. Been trying to get a hold of you all night. We haven't talked in months, but that's alright. Was wondering if you wanted to go for a drive. I just need some fresh air and an old friend. I'm so glad that we started talking again. Yo, turn up the radio, I love this song. Remember when we used to stay up all night long? How's it been going? Oh, how's it, mom? The roads are so empty, this is so damn calm. If we stick on the highway, we can drive all night long. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. We can drive around to this.
Hello. We are on our way to a resort. It's been a while since we Crystal Springs Resort. It's been a while since we It's been a while since we went on vacation or like somewhere, like a little getaway. So we're going for 3 nights. I mean, wait, 2 nights and 3 days. So we're on our way. It's like an hour. It's supposed to be like an hour drive, but there's traffic, so it's like 2 hours. We're almost there. We're gonna be going axe throwing like once we get there. So they have like a lot of activities there, and then tomorrow we're going to do goat yoga and have a dinner with a magician show. Is it a magician show or a magic show?
Magic show.
Oh, magic show.
Ooh, this world accused me for my 1,000 crimes.
Hi, we are here.
See us tomorrow.
Hello. We're doing axe throwing, but we sort of suck.
It's so hard.
I know, it's pretty hard. But the weather is beautiful.
I don't really know.
The technique.
Yeah, because you're supposed to do this. I think the way you throw it makes it like rotate at this, like some consistency. You know?
Consistency.
At some consistent speed, it's rotating. You just gotta get a feel for that.
I know.
You know, and then you can get that down. You know.
Nice. What the? You suck. If you know, you know. Gotta bring the cup ramen. This is for tomorrow. We got some of this jerky, honey butter, Haribo, some Korean sun chips. Wow. And of course, we brought our own water boiler. This one's so spicy. Ooh.
What if I wake up happy? And what if I wake up sad? Sorry if I said something that made you mad.
We just did goat yoga. That was fun. Something we've never done before.
When I wake up, you're not next to me. Guess I'm missing all your energy. That's all I want.
Duration of the yoga session.
Here.
Promise I am
But it was kind of like, they were like jumping all over the place.
Just the baby ones though. And I think they weren't fully trained yet.
Yeah, that was fun though.
It was fun.
The weather is immaculate.
The weather is immaculate.
It's super nice. I think it's like 70 degrees today.
That was a good burp.
Ew. We are gonna go eat dinner. It's like a dinner and show combo with like a magic show.
Unlimited booze.
With unlimited.
We're gonna need.
Oh well, there's an open bar. But this guy forgot his charger in his car, so we're gonna go get that first.
That's all I want. Promise I am not your enemy. I just need another memory. That's all I want. 'Cause all I want is you. Is you. It takes two. 'Cause all I want is you.
Hey, I am gonna go eat with my friends. We're going to this Japanese place. I'm printing something for one of my friends though. Alright. I also got these Sephora. I got a Sephora delivery because it's 20% off. Let me show you guys what I got. I got this Laneige Hydro Essence. I got this brightening dark circle eye cream because my bags are getting ridiculous. I got another one of the Too Faced Born This Way. This is one of my holy grail products that I always use. I got a new melting cleansing balm because the one I'm using right now is running out, so I'm trying this one out. I got another refill of a beauty blender, and I got another refill of the Kat Von D tattoo liner, things that like I always use. And then for the samples, I got the Belief cream, like a little mini size I could take around when I travel, as well as a mini size of the melting balm that I can take with me. So I always like to stock up when it's 20% off.
Oh, I meant when you're like, that's my phone or whatever.
Wow, baby, we're gonna be in her fucking closet. She did that with that. Because it looked like
Baby, you make me feel